Hi everyone, it has been a very busy day so far. I got up very early. I took Luna for a 2-mile walk, got a little workout in. I have been editing the Christmas edition of Good to Be Home magazine. I feel like I just sent the fall one out, so I just can't even believe it. But don't forget about this delicious fig gorgonzola and prosciutto flatbread recipe in here. You can bring it to any holiday party. And then in the front, if you just want to do something fun with the kids, there is a pumpkin pie Rice Krispie treat recipe on this card here. So again, working on that, that'll be out around the holidays. I'm carrying around this beautiful bag I picked up from Willy Nilly. I love it. It's like a carpetbagger bag, and it is part of the White Lotus collection. So from here, leaving, going to Patchogue, we have an appraisal out there for such a beautiful house that's sold to this very nice family. It's like the 12th deal I've done with this family. So they're very, very special to me and for many, many reasons. And they're right down by the water, so I'll take a nice picture of the water there. I have 2 deals going into contract today, so I have to just be on the phone and be ready for emails or document signing all day today. So I just have to keep on top of that. 5 o'clock, we have a final walkthrough for a house that we're closing tomorrow. I originally closed on the house with my sellers 12-12-12. And so now all these years later, they called me back and we were able to get a wonderful buyer for them. We had multiple offers, of course, but wonderful buyer. So it's a great fit. And they will be leaving at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning to head down to Florida. In the meantime, they gave me a beautiful piece of furniture. So my husband and his friend are picking that up at 3 o'clock and bringing it here for my apothecary room in my house. So I think it will fit perfectly. And then it is the 3-year anniversary of our engagement. We are married, but we like to celebrate that. So my husband's taking me out to dinner tonight. So I kind of put on this outfit, might change the top, and be ready for a date with him. So I'm exhausted already. So let's head out so we have time to get a cup of coffee on our way out to Patchogue. Okay, coming to our appraisal. Beautiful house. We won't film inside because it's not our house. But we do have a guest meeting us at the front porch. I'll take you down to the bay in a minute. So we're just leaving the driveway. I promise I'm being very careful. And here we are. We have the bay right here. How pretty is this to live down the block from? Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock. Just got to the walkthrough. Closing day is tomorrow. Let's go in. So the walkthrough went well. Everybody's very happy. It's always very bittersweet to say goodbye to people that you've known for a long time, and you probably are not going to be seeing them anytime soon because they're moving out of state. But hugs and kisses and lots of love. So now my final destination is off to my date night with my husband for our engagement anniversary. It was a great day. So see you soon. I hope you had a great day too.